when I go into a different reviewer's account, you'll see that it's different than for the one that I requested for you to take a look at. For example, um, if I go into the early childhood program and their application, and when I click on a student's application submission, you'll notice over here on the right for the review that it's only the review form. It is not the application form. Likewise, if I go to a different program, so for example, instead of early childhood, if I look at elementary education, which is a different application that we have, and I click on that and I click on a student there, again, it's just the application review form. There is no, the application form itself is not here. And the question is, why for these two applications, and again, I'll show you for early childhood special education as well, if I show you that one, um, you'll see again, it only brings up the review form. There is no application form. So, but I will show you again when a different reviewer goes in, when it's Kristen Hickey, who is the person I asked about earlier, and I just need to sign in here. The issue, right? The difference, the key difference is that if I go to special education candidacy form, they use the same secondary and middle education. Um, the special education students use the same form. If I click on that, now you see here's the review form, but then there's the actual application form. And what we're trying to understand is why is this there? Because if we have to do this every time, this is going to take up a lot of time for our reviewer to basically redo something that's already been done or that was already done by the student. And so what we would like is for this review form for secondary and middle education to be exactly the same as the review form for early childhood and elementary education and early childhood special education, where it only has the review form and does not include the actual blank version of the application form. That would, if you can figure out why that's the case, that would be really, really helpful to us. Thank you.